In 60 seconds, I will show you the perfect solution if you don't have a microphone but want to create video tutorials. It's super easy if you are your own video editor using Adobe Premiere Pro. First, if your video is loaded into Premiere Pro sequence or timeline, right-click on the audio of the clip you want to clean up and select Edit Clip in Audition. Make sure you have Adobe Audition installed, as it will automatically open the audio file in its own tab as a WAV file. Next, select an area with minimal sound, no talking or mouse clicks to identify the noise. Go to the Effects menu, choose Noise, Capture Noise Print. Afterward, go to the Edit menu, select All, then head back to Effects, Noise Reduction Process. Play the audio to check for improvement, then hit Apply. If you hear an echo after noise reduction, don't worry. Go back to the Effects menu, choose Noise, De-Reverb, and apply it. Now your audio should be clean with the noise and echo completely removed. Save, close, and head back to Premiere Pro and you will notice your change. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful editing tips.